No, don't push us away, Hiro. We're here for you. That's why Baymax contacted us.
Those who suffer a loss require support from friends and loved ones.
Okay, but
Who would like to share their feelings first?
Ooh, I'll go. Okay. My name is Fred, and it has been 30 days since my last...
Am I the only one seeing this?
Wasabi!
Oh, goodbye!
Hero, explanation, now!
He stole my microbots. He started the fire. I don't know who he is. Baymax, palm heel strike!
Hard left!
That mask, the black suit. We're under attack from a supervillain, people! I mean, how cool is that? I mean, it's scary, obviously, but how cool?
Why are we stopped?
The light's red!
There are no red lights in a car chase!
Did you just put your blinker on?
You have to indicate your turn! It's the wall!
That's it.
Did we lose him?
Baymax, hold on! We're not gonna make it! We're gonna make it! We're not gonna make it! We're gonna make it! We're not gonna make it! We made it! Yeah!
Voila! Alistair Cray.
what?
Think about it. Cray wanted your microbots, and you said no. But rules don't apply to a man like Cray.
There's no way. The guy's too high profile.
And who was that guy in the mask?